Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new pins or posts from Pinterest to Google Drive? With zzBots, you can now install this as a plugin or pre-built bot from our plugin store. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Pinterest account. After your account is connected, select the board that you want to sync from. Next, set up the connection with your Google Drive account. After your account is connected, select the folder that you want to sync to. If needed, reselect the parent folder to view the available subfolders. Then click Next, Install Now, and Done. You will be redirected to the bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. You can disable and re-enable your bot using this toggle button. This pre-built bot consists of two steps. The first step will trigger when there is a new pin in the selected board on Pinterest. The next step will automatically sync the pin title and image to Google Drive as a new file. I will demonstrate how this sync works by posting 3 new pins to my board on Pinterest. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps of each bot, you will find the bot history. Each time that your bot is triggered, it will create a bot instance. The bot power used by each bot instance will be shown here. Bot power will not be used every time that your bot checks for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot is triggered and successfully syncs new Pinterest posts over to Google Drive. As you can see here, the new pins successfully synced over to Google Drive as new files. If you are looking for more ways to automate your business or integrate your different apps together, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com or join our community at zzbots.com/community.